Welcome to our lesson on sets and inequalities. Let's explore a past question from the SSSCE in 2005. We have the set P defined as all integers in between 10 and 20. The set Q is a subset of P. Q is defined by the inequality where 55 minus 2n is greater than or equal to 25. Our task is to find the set Q. First, let's list the elements of set P. The inequality shows that n must be greater than 10 and less than 20. So, P includes the integers 11 through 19. Next, let's visualize P using number chips. These number chips represent the possible values for Q, as Q is a subset of P. Now we start with the inequality. The inequality we have is 55 minus 2n is greater than or equal to 25. Let's subtract 55 from both sides of the inequality. This gives us the equation with the same inequality on the right. Now we simplify to get negative 2n is greater than or equal to negative 30. It's important to remember this inequality rule. Dividing by a negative number will reverse the direction of the inequality. Next, we divide both sides by negative 2. This results in n being less than or equal to 15. So, we have established that n is less than or equal to 15. If you're finding this explanation helpful, please subscribe for more math solutions. Now, let's interpret the result. The inequality tells us that n can be less than or equal to 15. However, remember that Q must be a subset of P. Let's highlight the values in P that satisfy n is less than or equal to 15. From set P, the values that meet this condition are 11 through 15. Thus, Q includes the numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now, we need to exclude any values greater than 15. The numbers 16, 17, 18, and 19 exceed 15. So, these values are not included in set Q. Therefore, the final answer is that Q consists of the numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful math content.